This is my 1987 Dodge Dakota. Maybe wondering why it's dark outside. Well, it's because it's been over 100 degrees outside. And during the daytime, I can't really work on it. The shop gets way too hot. The truck interior is all ripped out. It's all gone. Got some of those parts here on the ground. There's the dash. The heater core's in there with the blower motor. I just pulled the transmission lines up and out of the way. The power steering pump, the bolt was stripped, so I had to cut the wire in the hose. My plan with the truck is to put a new engine in it. So most of these are all clear. Pretty sure that you just have to untighten that bolt on the motor mount with the nut that used to be on it, and then hopefully it just slides out. Under the truck is where I'll be next. Okay, well, here's the drive shaft down there. It's been leaking. Oh yeah, it's my jank shifter, but pulled out the drive shaft, started pouring transfer all over the place. I gotta remove the shift linkage, and I've already removed the two bolts that go to, or two nuts that go to the bottom of the transmission mount. And then I think I gotta remove the top ones too. I got the gear selector out of the way. That's undone and taken out of the way. I don't really see anything else on the other sides. We'll go back up to the top. Okay, so this is the engine bay again. All the wiring has been removed out of the truck. There's just that little piece left that's for the heater. I don't really mind that at the moment. It's not bugging me. I don't really see anything else on this side that needs to be removed. Like I said, I already removed the fuel line part, but I think I'm going to take off the fuel pump and just have it hanging down. I don't see anything else here. Got the starter out of the way. Okay, well, we got the engine hoist where it's supposed to be, allegedly. Okay, now what are we hitting? Oh, great. A jack stand. Okay, well, I don't know, here goes nothing. It looks like the washer on the other side. I gotta figure out how I can kick that over, maybe with a pry bar and a hammer. Bang it out. Okay, so I was able to get that side out. It looks like this side was also stuck as well, so I just banged it out a little bit. Now we're gonna try to jack it up a little more so it clears the mounts, and then we will try to pull it out. Okay. Oh, it's still stuck on that motor mount. Gotta go up with the motor more. We need to go higher with it. Hopefully we can. Or we have to lower the truck down. Oh, come on. Okay, so we got the motor out. Okay, so I got the Dakota rolled out this morning. I'm gonna be starting to get the whole entire thing cleaned up, the engine bay, and then we'll put it back in the shop, but it's gonna go the other way. Yeah, let's get cleaning. Okay, so we got it all washed up. I'm not too concerned about everything else, but I mean, I got a lot of the grease off and grime from all the years. And then we're gonna get it turned around and it'll go in the shop that way.